Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Grand St Lucian Spa and Beach Resort. Now this particular category that we're in today is a walkout. It comes in both the honeymoon variety and the deluxe, just have slightly different views. We'll talk about that when we get outside, but follow along as we tour the room. As you walk into the room, to the right you're going to find the restroom. So as soon as you get in here, you can see there's a huge double vanity. You've got a large backlit mirror, magnifying mirror, plugs for a shaver, and then underneath you have a ton of extra towels for you. You'll also notice the full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Keep in mind, if you want to see the Red Lane Spa here on site, the beach, the pools, the restaurants, all of the public areas, make sure you check out our full resort tour as well. In addition, we have the other rooms and suite categories in case you're considering an upgrade, including those amazing over-the-water bungalows and Rondeval suites. So just around the door here, you can see that you have a shower tub combo. Now keep in mind that these categories, there's some that are just shower only, and then others that are like this. Make sure that you request that at check-in and let us know as well. They'll do their very best, but it's not something that can be guaranteed. Directly across from the bathroom, you're gonna find your storage right here. Plenty of hanging storage. You've got extra pillows, blankets, hair dryer, iron and ironing board, a golf umbrella, and a safe big enough for your laptop. So now we're on to the bedroom space. You've got a small butler's pantry to the left here. You've got a coffee maker and tea kettle. They'll provide coffee and tea for you throughout your stay. You can have it replenished. And then just underneath, you're gonna have a fully stocked mini bar with beer, wine, sodas, juices, and bottled water. Here you'll see your large king-size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals Resorts. You've got your two nightstands on either side. Directly across from the bed, you're gonna find the large flat panel TV. It is interactive, so of course you can watch television, stream from your own device, or you can see what's going on throughout the resort. Next is a writing desk right here. You've got a small bench seat that pulls out underneath. You've got your phone, Bluetooth speaker, and here's where you're gonna find the US chargers and USB in addition to the UK ones. Now keep in mind that they use UK plugs here in St. Lucia. I always bring a couple extra adapters so that I can utilize it for all my devices throughout my stay. You've got a reading chair over here in the corner, and then directly across, you're gonna have a love seat with a coffee table. Now let's head outside. Now we're out on your patio. You see you have a drying rack over in the corner, perfect when you head on up from the pool or the beach, and you've got two chairs and a table. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning or a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. Now I love walkout rooms. You can see right here, this is why. You can head on out, enjoy the resort. You don't have to worry about the stairs or the elevator or anything else. This is that perfect location for that. Now I did want to mention that there are two varieties we were talking about. The honeymoon variety is located a little bit further up close to the lobby, so you're going to be right near the pools, whereas the deluxe is a little bit further away. So you can take that into account, and of course we're going to go over all those details with you when you book. So when you're ready to book either of these categories or any room or suite at Sandals or Beaches Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches Resorts, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, wedding party, or honeymoon at an incredible value.